Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works. It's a little warm to be out in the garage today, so we're coming at you from the bench with another shop card shout out. This time we're coming at you from Old Tom, Ramblers69. Tom sent me a couple of shop cards and a sticker. So here's the first one. And here is the second one. So you can find him, search him on YouTube for Ramblers69. He comes up right up at the top. And here is the sticker, which will be going on my paint case. Big stand-up set of drawers that holds my paints and some other supplies. Tom is a great modeler. He's got the YouTube channel right up there, or there, whichever side it comes in on. He does a bunch of classic and antique cars, but he does a bunch of modern stuff too. He's done the AMG GT, which I love that kit. That was a fun kit, and his build is exquisitely clean. He just finished up a GTR, an R35 GTR, with the Zero Fighters paint scheme that was fantastic. I mean, that's a lot of decals, and me and decals do not love each other. That was fantastic decal work. He's got a gorgeous like emerald green Willys. Just fantastic work. He does a broad spectrum of work. So go and check him out. There's some great stuff there. Tom, thank you for being one of my subscribers. Thank you for the shop cards. I appreciate those a lot. And as always, guys, stay safe, keep modeling, and have a great day.